In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find exported videos from CapCut PC. If you've just finished editing and hit export, only to wonder where your video disappeared to, this quick guide will show you the absolute fastest way to open your export folder instantly, without digging through folders or guessing locations. First, once your editing is complete and you're ready to create the final file, move your cursor to the very top right corner of CapCut. You'll see a bright blue Export button. Click that. This opens the Rendering Options menu, where you confirm how your video will be created. This window is where you typically check things like resolution, frame rate, and file name. But if your settings are already how you like them, you don't need to change anything here. Next, at the bottom of that pop-up window, click Export to start the render. CapCut will begin processing your timeline into a single video file, and you'll see a progress bar tracking the export. This is the moment to be patient and let it complete. Here's the key part. When the progress bar finishes, do not close the window. The completion screen that appears is your shortcut to finding the final file with zero hassle. Look to the bottom left corner of that completion screen. You'll see a blue Open Folder button. Click it. CapCut will immediately open your computer's File Explorer directly to the export location, highlighting your finished video file. No searching, no browsing through downloads or documents, just one click and you're there. This simple step is the fastest and most reliable way to jump straight to your exported video every single time. It works because CapCut knows exactly where it just wrote the file, and it hands that path straight to your File Explorer. If you've ever been unsure where CapCut saves by default, this completely removes the guesswork. Export, wait, then use Open Folder. A couple of quick reminders to keep it smooth. Keep the export window open until you see the completion screen, since that's where the Open Folder button lives. If your export is longer, feel free to switch tasks, but come back when the bar is complete so you can use the shortcut immediately. And remember, this is on PC, so the window that opens will be your standard File Explorer. That's it. One simple click after the export finishes, and you're instantly at your finished video. You're all